called for another elephant to come.
I'm Lois.
And I'm Bram.
It's a great summer day, and here we are. Where else but at summer camp?
So you stick around because today is going to be intense.
Oh.
When an elephant is on your fence, what time is it? Time to get a new fence.
Left, left. I had a good job that I left. And do you think it was right to leave the job that I left? Left, left. I had a good job that I left.
And do you think it was right to leave the job that I left?
Hi, Sharon.
Hi, gang. Oh, that was so much fun. There's only one thing about camp that is not fun that I can think of. It's itchy. Mosquitoes. They love me, but I don't love them. Now, I know a song about mosquitoes, and maybe we could sing it together. You be my echo. Okay. I'll start, okay? Flee.
Flee.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my backy.
Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my back.
Chase that big bad bug, make him go away.
Chase that big bad bug, make it go
Faster.
away.
Flee.
Flee.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Itchy, itchy, scratch, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my backy.
Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my back.
Chase that big bad bug, make it go away.
Chase that big bad bug,
Really
make it go
fast.
away.
Flee.
Flee.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Flee, fly, mosquito.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Oh, no, no, no more mosquitoes.
Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my backy.
Itchy, itchy, scratchy, scratchy. Ooh, I got one down my back.
Chase that big bad bug, make him go away.
Chase that big bad bug, make him go away.
Shoot!
Left, left. I had the job that I again. Right. To leave the job that I left. Left, left. I had the job I left. And do you think it was right to leave the job that I left?
Schlemiel, Schlemazel, a hoss and heifer, hoochie coochie.
Lunchtime, come on, gang!
Hi, Susan Mendelson. What are we eating today?
We're going to make our own lunch today. And we're going to make pita pocket breads. And do you know why this is called a pita pocket bread?
No.
Because when you cut it in half, it becomes a...
Pocket.
That's right. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill the pockets with all these things. With
Cheese, cucumber, tomato, red pepper,
Lettuce, sprouts.
And I'll hold the mayo.
that's mayonnaise. So the first thing is, Marlo, why don't you take the mayonnaise, and we're going to take a knife and spread the inside of all of the pockets with mayonnaise for everybody.
them?
That's your job.
Okay.
Everybody get their pita pocket breads and fill it with whatever they want.
But it doesn't have any.
Oh, yes, Marlo put the mayo in. There you go, Bram.
Thank you.
So you should say thank you to me.
Thank you,
Thank
Julie.
Thank you.
Oh, you've got a big sandwich there. Now we're going to show you how to make whole wheat soda bread. What do you always have to do with dough to help it to rise? You have to knead it. That's right. And as soon as it's all mixed together, it starts to get very sticky and stiff.
I know how. And hard to.
Well, I'm going to tell everybody out there how you knead the dough. What you do is you take the heel of your hand and you push the dough away with the heel of your hands, and then you pull it back towards you. And what you're trying to do is to get air into the dough. So you push away with the heel of your hands and you pull the dough back towards you. And I'm going to give you each a lump of dough because you're going to each do your own dough. There you go. One for you. One for you. Why don't you take charge of the flour?
Little flour, sir?
One for you and one for you. And I'm going to have the big lump.
What a
here.
globby glob.
And then Sharon Lawson Brown, we're going to tell us again how we knead the dough.
Use the heel of your hand, not your toes. You push and pull. Ain't it grand? Knead the dough.
While you push the dough away, and then you pull it back again, and then you
Promenade that little pastry home. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough, don't you know? Do-si-do, knead the dough. Well, you push and you pull and you fold it back with care. Aha! You push and you pull and you fill it full of air.
And when the dough is smooth, you know that you are through, and then you
Promenade that little pastry home. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough, don't you know? Do-si-do, knead the dough. One last time. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough. Do-si-do, knead the dough, don't you know? Do-si-do, knead the dough.
Great.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, that's my name too. Whenever I go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. La 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 la. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt!
Left. I had a good job to the left. And do you think it was right? To leave the job to the left. Left. I had a good job to the left.
We're going to play some stone games. Children from all around the world play these games. They sing chants in their own language, and they get a good rhythmic feel for the passing of the stones. If you practice, you could get a good rhythmic feeling, too. Now, we're going to do some together, okay, everybody? We're going to sing 3 chants, one from Ghana, one from the West Indies, and one from Mexico. Here we go. Obasana sana na obasana sa. Obasana sana na obasana sa. Obasana sana na obasana sa. Obasana sana na obasana sa.
Al citron de un fandango, sango, sango, sabare, sabare, de la arandela con su triqui, triquitron. Al citron de un fandango, sango, sango, sabare, sabare, de la arandela con su triqui, triquitron.
Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary. Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary.
Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary.
Pass them down as me stone, Miss Mary.
Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary. Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary. Me stone is me stone, Miss Mary. Pass them down as me stone, Miss Mary.
That was good.
Yeah.
When you see a zebra, what color is it? Black and red, because he has a sunburn. all over the white spots.
When I was a kid, I was sitting around a campfire like this, just like you were one day. And there was a friend of mine, an older friend with me, and he pulled down a branch of a willow tree, and with his penknife, he made a little whistle right out of that willow branch, and then played me a tune on it right there. And he showed me how to make the whistle. But you know, nowadays, it's harder to find a willow tree than it is to find a hardware store for a lot of us. It really is. So I made one out of stuff that I got from a hardware store. I took this copper tube and a bunch of stuff. I can show you how to make this later. And a sponge and a stick. I'll dip it in the water that we've got for the campfire because it's got to be all kind of wet and smushily. Now, as I push this plunger in, the sound is going to change. Who thinks they know how it's going to change? Richard?
Lower?
You think lower? You think higher? Let's see. You think higher, Fiona? Let's see who's right. Because whoever's wrong, it's back to their tent for hot cocoa later at night, okay? Right, Fiona, very good. Here's lower, Richard. Hey, Fiona. Here, let's see if I can do a song on this. Just a second. You sing it, you sing it, you sing it.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Wait a minute. I heard two different versions of the same song. I heard the Merrily, Merrily version. Somebody was singing a different... Who was that? Was that you? Was it you? You guys? Okay, sing it for me. Let me hear it. Just a second. Let me get this right. Here we go. Let me hear you do it.
Row, row, row your boat gently downstream. Throw your teacher overboard and listen to her scream.
Listen, let me say something serious now. Be very careful with a saw. I think if you're in the 3rd grade or under, you shouldn't play a saw because you need a very big and a flexible one, and you need to be kind of big. So I think 3rd grade and over, okay. But you should have permission and supervision. Fiona, what does supervision mean? Then you're too young to play the saw. Yes? Somebody watching you, that's right. Okay, take this ball here that I stuck on the end of this stick, and I'm going to hit the saw.
Oh, my.
You ready? You stop that. How many think this is silly? You can't make music with a saw anyway, can you?
Like a siren.
Let me see if I can play something on this. There we go. Let me hear you sing it. That's very beautiful. But that's not the song I meant.
I knew that song.
I meant the one that starts with R. Goes like this.
Oh, no.
R. Oh, hi, elephant. The one that starts with R? Do you know it? Goes like this. R2D2, R2D2, C3PO. You try it.
C3PO.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Han Solo.
Han Solo.
Let's all do it, okay? R2D2.
R2D2. R2D2.
C3PO.
C3PO. C3PO.
Yes, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Han Solo.
Han Solo.
make beautiful music
That was
together.
great.
We really do.
You know what sea monsters eat for lunch?
No, what?
Fish and shit.
That's great. That's a good riddle. I have something for all of you. I want to ask you to do something that looks kind of silly, but it sounds really nice. Can you do this? Take your pointer finger and put it across the front of your mouth like this and go. Do you know Home on the Range? It goes like this. That sounded great. Wow. If your finger's wet, you can wipe it off now. And we can sing another old cowboy song. Sing each line after me. Works like this. I'm going to leave.
I'm going to leave.
Old Texas now.
Oh, Texas now.
They got no room.
They got no room
For the longhorn cow.
for the long.
Let's try that again.
cow.
I'm going to leave.
I'm going to leave.
Old Texas now.
Oh, Texas now.
They got no room for the longhorn cow. They've plowed and fenced
They plowed and fenced
my cattle range,
my cattle range.
and the valleys there
And the valleys there
are all farmed and changed.
are all farmed and changed.
I'll say adios,
I'll say adios
to the Alamo,
to the Alamo
and hit the trail
and hit the trail
to Mexico.
to Mexico.
I'm going to leave old Texas now. They got no room for the longhorn cow. I'm going to leave old Texas now. They got no room for the longhorn cow. Mighty fine, partners.
This is so great. There's nothing as much fun as sitting around a campfire under the stars.
I think so.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
Me too.
Well, I'm tired too, but before we go to sleep, could we have just one more song? What do you think?
Sure.
One more song?
One more sweet song?
Everybody cuddle together.
Snuggle
We'll have
up.
one more sweet song.
Yeah.
One more hour, one more day, one more midnight fade away, one more sweet song play for me.
it's time for those cuddly Care Bears, coming up next on Global's Kids TV.
This has been a Cambium production.